Verb conjugation refers to how a verb changes to indicate a different person, number, tense, or mood. Let's have a look at the following example. I'm a student. Now, in this sentence, the subject is in the first person, it is singular, we are using the present simple, and an indicative mood. Remember, the verbs should be conjugated with regards to person. Depending on the subject, a verb can stand in the first, second, or third person. Now let's have a look at the table below. Now when the subject is in the first person and it's singular, we use I. Plural, we. When the subject is in the second person and it's singular, we use you. Plural, you. And when the subject is in the third person and it's singular, we use he, she, or it. Plural, they. Now, as you can see, the pronouns I, we refer to the first person, you to the second, he, she, it, and they to the third person. Have a look at the examples below. We work on Saturdays. We is in the first person. You need to take a break. You is in the second person. It is snowing outside. It, third person. Now, usually, we assume the person of the verb in the sentence automatically, as we almost always state a subject explicitly. Let's have a look at the example over here. Sarah has signed up for a yoga class. Now, Sarah can be substituted with the pronoun she, which is in the third person. Note that the verb to be is irregular and has 3 forms in present tenses and 2 forms in past tenses. Now, these forms depend on the person expressed by the subject. Have a look at the table below. When the subject is in the first person and we are using the present tense, we say I am or we are. In the second person, you are, you are. And the third person, he, she, it, is, or they are. And when we use the first person in the past tense, we say I was, we were. Second person, you were, you were. And in the third person, he, she, it was, they were.